Sanibonani, I hope siyaphila kakhulu namhlanje. Alright ke ngibonga kakhulu for ukungamukela namhlanje ukuthi sixoxe ngazo izinto ezithinta iscience ne-technology. So namhlanje bengithanda nje ukuthi mhlambe like nje ngishare nje some of the things that are happening in science and technology latestly, and then yeah, it's gonna be the things nje that are trending right now. But ke lokho namhlanje kuzothinta iscience kakhulu, but ke it's for i-awareness kakhulukazi ngokuthi nje sibe aware nje ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani emhlabeni esiphila kuwo, because I know ukuthi abantu abaningi, especially people who are not in science, then they are not aware of some of the things that scientists are doing. So nje lokho namhlanje ezinye zezinto ezenzakalayo ke. But ke before I get there, yes, ngiyabona la my brother ungintroduceile ngokuthi ngake ngenza i-update nge-5G technology. Yes, namanje ke lapho nje manga-emphasize lapho, yebo khona ngangibekile nakuqala ukuthi i-5G njengamanje abantu bakhulume izinto, kugcwale izinto eziningi on the internet ebezikade singekho 100% correct about the 5G, and beku nama-exaggerations ebekade maningi kakhulu about the 5G, and abantu bebebona sengazuthi i-5G i-threat, kanti it is not a threat. So nje leyo panic leyo, it was not necessary in fact. But ke leyo panic leyo ibiyenziwa lento yokuthi abantu they were not aware of the 5G. Abantu into ethi 5G bavele bayizwa nje ngoba nakhu sekuthiwa isikhona, and ke abantu vele ba-reacta kakhulu entweni uma kuzothiwa into isikhona and kuthiwe i-dangerous. Ilapho-ke abantu abazoba ne-interest khona-ke ngayo i-5G. Kodwa izinto ezinjengo-5G izinto ezingekho zintsha, abantu yisi bazizwe nje sebezizwa manje. But i-5G, I learned about 5G I think back in 2014 2015, then ke ngabona ukuthi there is this thing that is coming kuthiwa yi-5G. So ngafunda ngayo ngaleso sikhathi leso, bengiloko ngifunde ngayo i-progress yayo ngiyilandela until ithi zibe khona late 2018. So nje into ebekade isiyindala so kumuntu obeseke wayibona lento lo wathi ukuyilandela akumsurprise. Bese kuthi ke kumuntu ozothi mayibona okokuqala ezothi i-dangerous, vele phela siyazi ukuthi sonke akekho umuntu ngempela into ethinta impilo vele yisi kubalekile vele ukuthi uma into kuthiwa ingafaka impilo yakho engozini ukuthi uyithathe serious lento leyo and uyithathele phezulu. Bese uthi into ibikade simosha kakhulu ke lapho yini, ilento yokuthi abantu bebesho izinto ezingekho, zibona ukuthi ezinye azikho nezinye aziyenzi sense. So lokho ke kodwa ke abantu engingasho ngithi lapho bane mistake, ngisho ngithi it is us, the science people or the science communicators. So it is our role to educate people about the things that are happening in science and technology so that bezoba aware ngazo zisase-early. So thina umsebenzi sisebenza ngayo kakhulukazi uku-inform abantu ngezinto ezizokwenzeka. In fact, you are future focused because thina we talk a lot about the things that will be happening in the future than the things that are happening njengamanje nje. So njengamanje ke mhlambe ke bengicela ukuthi mhlambe ke lokhu sicele lokhu sikwazi kusase-early, njengoba ngisho ngithi into ye-5G yaqala kudala kakhulu ukuthi ososayensi bayisebenze phezu kwabo bezama ukuyikhanda, njengoba ize yaphumelela around 2018 it is being rolled out right now. So i-5G njengoba ngangikade ngichazile ukuthi ayikho enye into ezoyenza ithini ngaphandle kokukhuphula ispeed se-internet. Ileyo nto nje wenza ukuthi i-internet ibe fast. Siyazi njengamanje uthi uyaba live on Facebook ilokhu ikhatha, i-network ikhatha, uthi uyafonela abantu nge-WhatsApp ilokhu iyakhatha, ayikho inhle leyo nto leyo ngempela nawe awuyithanda. Uthi uyafika kwezinye iy'ndawo uyafona i-network ayikho or iyakhatha. So nje lapho ngempela uyaye ngempela ube angry, ucasukele abantu bako-Vodacom nabo-MTN noma biyiphi i-service provider yakho ukuthi kahle kahle akukho mnandi, internet kahle kahle is-slow. So sonke siyacomplain ukuthi internet is slow, but then ama-scientists masebeyikhanda-ke into eyenza ukuthi i-internet ibe fast, sicomplaina kuqala futhi lento le i-dangerous. So nje abantu bakanjalo-ke vele abantu vele yes, abantu bakanjalo. So njengamanje-ke njengalana-ke thina-ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngicela ukuthi-ke namhlanje ngi-informe ngenye-ke into ezayo-ke ukuthi siyazi kusase-early ukuze mayisifika ungezi ukuthuka kakhulu, uthuke like uphenike ngento engabalekile ukuthi ungaphenika ngayo. Uyabona njengamanje scientists are developing i-6G. I-6G abantu bazothi mase beyibona around 2030 abantu bese ba crazy njengoba bekade kwenzeka manje bekuthuka abantu kube njeyana because bona bazoqala ukulizwa igama ngoba nakho isikhona lento lena isisebenza. Nansi into engishoyo ke manje, ama-scientists njengamanje and the technologies akhanda i-6G, so singaqala manje ukuthi sifunde ngayo i-6G kusuka manje siyibhekisise sifollow i-progress yayo. I-6G ayikhandwa umuntu into like i-innovation ayikhandwa umuntu oyedwa or i-organization eyi-one eziyi-champion iqede yonke. It's a lana kuzobe kahle kahle it's a compilation of different innovations and of different studies. So abantu base-China bazostadisha lokhu be-champione lokhu, laba bangapha be-champione lokhu, laba be-champione lokhu. So nje izinto ezi-different bese kuba khona umuntu oyi-one ozoyihlanganisa-ke ngasekugcineni, uyena-ke uwina kakhulu-ke loyo ozohlanganisa ngasekugcineni. So njengamanje singafollowa i-progress ye-6G. Lento lena I'm sure ukuthi abantu abaningi bazobe besasekhona around 2030 the time if i-6G isiba khona, because according to the predictions some of the companies are promising ukuthi by 2028 2029 i-6G bengabe sebekwazile ukuyikhanda isisebenza, and yona it's gonna be very very fast than even i-5G. So nje leyo nto leyo kumele sisheshe siyibone-ke manje, siyazi kusase-early ukuze uma sifika sazi ukuthi kahle kahle ibuphi ubuhle eza nabo, and si-check-ke nanobubi-ke eza nabo ngoba vele phela ayikho into engenabo ububi bayo. So yonke into iba nobubi bayo-ke, so si-check ukuthi okay ububi bayo lobu, so that sizokwazi ukuthi singazi usize sigcine mhlambe uma isikhona sihambe kanye ne-wave. Abantu abaningi vele basuke bengekho aware ngezinto eziningi ezenzakalayo, so baze bezibona ukuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi hawu yazi lento lena right njenge-5G. I-5G abantu ibona bazobe sebeyifuna kakhulu. I'm telling you, njengamanje vele lesi story se-5G siya-expire manje, abantu they will realize ukuthi we were wrong. So nje in 2 years 3 years wonke umuntu uzobe sefuna i-5G la. If i-5G ayikho endaweni yangakini uzobe sewukhala ukuthi eish why i-5G ingekho la, and you'll be blaming the government and everyone ukuthi kahle kahle i-5G abayifakanga bakushiye ngaphandle. So lezo zinto lezi kanjalo zibalulekile ukuthi sibe aware ngazo. So i-6G is coming, so 6G is coming, and kuzozanywa ukuthi yenziwe ngale ndlela yokuthi ayizukuba dangerous. So it is coming. Yes, and it is coming ngempela. So-ke into yesayensi-ke bengade ngithi ngizoyishare-ke namhlanje, ngalesikhathi sonyaka in 1969 kwaya abantu bokuqala to the moon enyangeni. So bahamba nge-16 July, then they arrived there on the 20th of July 1969. That is about 51 years ago. So babuya ngosuku lwanamhlanje 24 July 1969. Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu mhlambe njengalana egroupini sake sezwe ukuthi ososayensi bake bathumela abantu to the moon. Leyo nto leyo akusiyo nje into eyinganekwane kanje, into eyenzeka ngempela, into e-real and iyenzeka. Bathumela abantu, there were 3 people abaya on the moon, in fact who landed on the moon, there were 3, but abantu abanyathela straight on the moon babe bayi-2. The first person it was Neil Armstrong. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNeil Armstrong yena umuntu waduma kakhulu, but yena akasekho-ke he passed away in 2012. Umuntu osasekhona omunye wayekade ekhona lapho kuleyo launch leyo, it's Buzz Aldrin yena umuntu wayehamba naye kuNeil Armstrong. uBuzz Aldrin usasekhona njengamanje, so I think he's 89 years old now. Bese ukuthi umuntu owayidrayiva leli ibhanoyi laba bayahamba ngalo uMichael Collins, naye umuntu osasekhona njengamanje. So kwisayensi-ke ngalezi nsuku-ke lezi-ke sijabulela lezo zinto ezikanjalo ukuthi kahle kahle kwaqophe kumlando ngabo-1969. And-ke abantu abaya to the moon akusibo laba abaya ngo-1969 kuphela, kuphelelanga lapho. In fact sebebonke abantu abake bahamba laphana phezulu on the moon, there are 12 in total abantu abake bahamba laphana on the moon. So leyo nto leyo yenzeka ama-trip kwaba ama-trip ayi-6 kwahamba abantu abawu-12 in total. So but-ke yebo abokugcina bahamba ngo-1972, so ama-trip ayi-6 abantu abawu-12. The last launch was in 1972, but-ke lapho ukuhamba kwabantu lokho ukuya ukuthi kuhambe umuntu straight, but ukuhambisa the robots like the machines into osekwenzeka kaningi kakhulu. More than 30 if I'm not mistaken machines aya kuphi on the moon. Even right now kukhona ehambayo nje laphana on the moon, it's doing the research. And-ke sekumenyezeliwe ukuthi like the scientists will be going back to the moon around 2024. So like it could happen anytime between 2023 to 2027. So you are going back to the moon. Into ezokwenzeka le and wonke umuntu uzozibonela kuhanjwa kuyiwa le laphana kuphi kwi-moon. So nayo ke lento yokuya kwi-moon ke akusiyinto evele nje ichampioneke overnight. So siyazi ukuthi kahle kahle kwaqala kanjani. Kwaqala lento leyo to the moon kahle kahle it was announced in bani in the early 1960s. 1961 America yona decided ukuthi they want to go to the moon. They were competing against Russia. So iRussia nayo yazama kaningi ukulenda laphana kwi-moon then ke yagcina like ihlulekile-ke yabhithwa i-America-ke kwaba yibona abafike kuqala laphana kwi-moon. So nje into eyenzeka leyo. So izinto-ke mhlawumbe engingasho ukuthi zake zenzeka, so ngenzela nje ukuthi mhlawumbe sibe aware ukuthi laphana if you look at the moon maybe at night kumele wazi ukuthi laphana yibo khona kwaya abantu laphana bafike laphana bagubha babuya nenhlabathi yakhona, babuya namatshe akhona njengalana emhlabeni njengamanje. Kuyilena yo-Neil Armstrong yokuqala babuya about 20 kg of the samples. So abuya la bastadisha-ke in the labs. So if ungaya kuma-science labs it's just that-ke lezi zinto lezi ziphesheya-ke because la e-Africa noma e-South Africa asizi-afford lezi zinto zokuthi sikwazi ukuthi siye sivakashe kwi-moon nalezi zinto ezikanjalo because kuyabiza kakhulu. Lena yokuya kwi-moon kunga-costa around 30 billion US dollars. It's something close to 30 billion US dollars. If you check lana, maybe when you convert it into rands, that is more than 300 billion. Uthi uyachecka kwi-government wase-South Africa ngonyaka uba na about 1 point, I think it's around 1.2 trillion. So u-300 and something billion, it's almost around 30% webudget. So angeke sithathe u-30% webudget yonke yase-South Africa sisahlupheka sinje ziningi kangaka izinto ezishodayo ngale budget ekhona, sithathe sithi sihambise umuntu kwi-moon engeke ezenzele ukuthi into etheni ezosibuyisela imali sekwenzelwa nje ucwaningo. So leyo nto leyo abantu abakwazi ukuyi-afforda abantu abanemali eningi. So ilamazwe anamela eningi njengo-China bengayi-afforda njengamanje o-China badlala irole enkulu when it comes to that. Bese kuba nobani nawo ko-America no-Russia namanye-ke kamazwe-ke lana amakhulu. So thina kahle kahle asiyile to the moon. It's not ukuthi like asinayo isayensi yokuya laphana kwi-moon. Like ama-scientists phela uma ufuna ukwenza lokho ungakwazi ukuyolanda abaphesheya nje beze bezosebenza la. Into eyi-key ngempela it is the affordability. We do not afford to send people to the moon. That's the reason ukuthi why thina singayi to the moon. And-ke another thing okay, enye into ke engamenshina-ke lana mhlawumbe engayimenshina eyenzekalayo around eze-science njengamanje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu bayazi ukuthi abantu bayazi about the planets. We learned about the planets in high school, like ukuthi there are 9 planets in our solar system. Those are the neighbor planets esinazo lana. There are 9 total, but actually there are 8 because Pluto is no longer the planet. So lana ke kunale planet lena ke okungenzeka ukuthi one day kube khona abantu abahlala kuyo. Yabona njengoba silana nje on earth, ama-scientists njengamanje ayasebenza ngempela, ayazama ukuthi angeke nisithole enye iplanethi singakwazi ukuyohlala kuyo. Sidinga enye indawo. In fact there are so many reasons why sidinga indawo enye singahlala kuyo. Indawo kubonakala sengazuthi iplanethi okungagcina kuhlaleka kuyo ngelinye ilanga, it's planet Mars. I-Mars yona-ke yebo yona ikude Mars, but-ke yona-ke iyona-ke ebonakalayo ukuthi kahle kahle sinjani singakwazi ukuthi siyohlala kuyo mhlambe ngelinye lamalanga. So njengamanje ama-scientists abhizi ayastadisha i-Mars ukuthi kahle kahle bengathunyelwa kanjani abantu beyobona ososayensi bokuqala. So abantu abazohamba bokuqala bazofika kwi-Mars, abantu bofika around 2030 kuzoba khona abantu abazosuka la on earth beye ku-Mars. I-Mars is around 500 million kilometers away. So i-distance endekabileyo uhamba about 9 months uma uya kuphi, uya kwi-Mars. Uma uya phambili uhamba 9 months, uma usubuya it's another 9 months, but the total journey it takes about 2 years. The total journey it's 21 months in fact. Le journey siyonke because laphana kwi-Mars kumele ufike uspend around 3 to 4 months usalinde ukuthi iphinde ibe kwi-position right ukuthi ungabuyi. So into nje kahle kahle bengifuna ukunifoma ngayo ukuthi kahle kahle awe aware ukuthi ngelinye ilanga kungenzeka abantu beyophila kwenye iplanet, like sibe nama-planets amaningi njengoba sinama-continents amaningi and the-countries amaningi, like kungapheleli-ke lapho kuma-continents ukuthi okay into esihlukanisayo or into esigruphayo it is the continents. Sihambe beyond lapho kube ukuthi we are grouped in terms of the planets, ukuthi kukhona abantu abahlala kwi-planet Mars, khona abantu abahlala ku-planet Earth. So leyo nto-ke leyo maybe-ke one of the reasons ukuthi why kufuneka leyo nto leyo lana emhlabeni i-Earth angeke ube habitable forever iplanet Earth. And like isayensi iyakhombisa ngempela, i-data esiyitholayo iyakhombisa ukuthi the planet is dying, it is really dying, so it's gonna be bad in the future. So like we better get ready-ke kusasemanje ukuthi kahle kahle yini esingayenza to protect ourselves from dying, because vele kuyabukakala ukuthi ngempela izinto ziya ngokuba bad as time goes. So abantu kuzokwenzeka beyohlala kuphi kwi-Mars. So njengamanje-ke ama-scientists ahlukehlukene from different countries, they are busy sending the spacecrafts to the Mars, ziyoshutha-ke zenze yonke lento leyo, zenze ucwaningo, zithatha ama-samples, zenze yonke le zinto eziyenzayo. Uma singathi siyabona ama-countries amaningi lana ahlukahlukene njengamanje nje I think i-spacecraft sokuqala esalenda on Mars safika ngo-1971, so sekukudala kakhulu. Lokhu ngivezela ukuthi akusiyinto entsha, into esindala ososayensi bifunda nge-Mars, and kuhlezi kuthunyelwa izinto esezike zaya kwi-Mars. I think they are close to 30 manje. And-ke nini on the 19th zayo le nyanga le i-Emirates UAE ibikade ithumele ini i-spacecraft esiya kwi-Mars siyofunda nge-Mars. So sizohamba around 6 to 7 months because sizofika ngoJanuary next year. And-ke njengamanje kunenye enye imoto ehambayo laphana phezulu kwe-Mars, and it reached the Mars in 2012, 8 August 2012. So njengamanje iyahamba khona laphana kwi-Mars, i-Mars Curiosity rover igama elaziwa ngayo. So leyo monto leyo iyashutha iy'thombe nqwaba namavidiyo nqwaba, they are there on the internet, ungawasearcha nje na uzisearchele. So iplanethi ikhona enye, yes, kungahlaleka kuyo, and kuney'monto ezihambayo khona njengamanje ezihamba ziyashutha. Ithunyeliwe enye ngeyi-19, kukhona enye ezothunyelwa futhi nini i-China nayo isiyithumelile nkonje i-China, yes, ithumelile i-China nayo umshini wayo uyohlala laphana uhambe khona on Mars. And the Americans nabo bazothumela i-spacecraft sayo u-Perseverance, uzohamba yena between 30 this month, 30 July, between 30 July to 13 August. So lapho iwindow lizobe lisavumile ukuthi behambe within that period. So lana-ke kumele sazi ngempela ukuthi amanye amazwe asebenzela ezinye izinto esizothi mase sizibona sezenzeka bese ziyasithusa ukuthi thina sizozwa sesizwa sekuthiwa kunabantu abahambayo. Lokho abantu kuyobathusa, but-ke it's better for umuntu kulalela this VN, because yena uzobe lento lena kuyothi mase kwenzeka kube ukuthi yena wakwayizwa lento lena, yazi wakwayizwa ngey'khathi ezidlule, because lento izokwenzeka around 2030 kanje. So izothi maseyenzeka 2030 abantu ngempela bazobe besurprised ukuthi khona abantu abahambayo baya komunye umhlaba, bahamba kanjani, yabo. Kanti-ke it's better-ke for umuntu olandela izinto ze-science, and then-ke yena uzobe sazi ukuthi hhayi ososayensi ikhona into abayenzayo into ekanje. And-ke imihlaba-ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele sazi ukuthi imihlaba ekhona eyadalwa, lokhu-ke it's science, lokhu imihlaba eyadalwa, the planets, ayikho i-1, ayikho i-8. There are a lot of them. Actually, there are more than 100 billion planets in the universe. More than 100 billion. And 100 billion is just an underestimation. Angeke ngisho nanenumber yakhona ukuthi actually how many planets are there. So there are a lot of planets, there are a lot of them. It's not ukuthi lento le, it's something that is theoretical. Yebo khona okunye kwakho ku-theoretical, because vele phela ayikakabonakali yonke, ayikho evidence ukuthi like sesiyibone yonke le mihlaba. But the advanced telescopes, they always discover new planets asebonakalile ngey'popolo, like ama-planets asebonakalile ngey'popolo, the telescopes, they are more than 4,000, and then now they are approaching 4,500. The planets asebonakalile close to 4,500 now, but according to the estimations, the planets must be more than 100 billion. So lokhu kusho ukuthini? Lokhu kusho ukuthi lama planets lana, are we aware ukuthi amanye awo ayafana nale planet esikuyo? Lokhu kusho ukuthini? Lokhu kusho ukuthi there are chances ukuthi kunabantu abahlala kwamanye ama-planets thina asibazi. njengoba nje sasikade singazani even nakudala uma ungakhumbula according to history ke kubona ukuthi abantu kahle kahle bazana kanjani and abantu badistribute kanjani into different continents. Uma ungakhumbula like sasikade singazani kakhulukazi, like if ungakhumbula ukuthi kwathiwa this guy who is this guy Christopher Columbus wadiscover America in 1492. So before then kwakade ngazi ukuthi kunezo thi America, amazwe mhlambe thina eAfrica sasingazi ukuthi kunamazwe maybe okuthiwa iChina, ukuthi kunabantu baseChina, into leyo sasikade singayazi. Kwaba khona isikhathi lapho esaqala khona ukwazi ukuthi kanti kunabantu abahlala la nalana, it is the same thing. Kungenzeka ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sesibona sidiscover abanye abantu abahlala kwamanye ama-planets angekho la. That is highly possible, and into ezokwenzeka leyo very very soon. Like I can't predict exactly ukuthi into ezokwenzeka nini, but it is imminent, leyo nto leyo izokwenzeka surely. So yileyo nto bengikade ngifuna ukuyishare-ke like the planets-ke lana bengithi ama-neighbor planets yinto ekhona and iyabonakala even nangamehlo. Ama-planets are-visible njengamanje. Umuntu olalele le-VN njengamanje akaphume ebuke e-east side. Ngapha e-east kunezinto ezi-bright ezimbili, khona lokho okubright kakhulu bese uthi ezansi kwakho kube khona okubright kancane. The biggest brightest object in the sky ngakuleli cala lase-east, ngalana okuphuma ngakhona ilanga lapha nje phezulu ngakuleli side kuphuma ngakulo ilanga, but laphana ukuthi uyakhuphula amehlo kancane, i-object e-bright, that is Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, that is Jupiter. Lena evelayo laphana ezansi kwayo, it is the Saturn. And-ke these are the planets-ke imihlaba le uyakwazi ukuhamba uye khona, but-ke I know ukuthi kwi-Jupiter angeke uyonyathela khona just because of isize yayo and everything, nanokuthi i-gas. But these are the planets makhulu kakhulu kunawo wonke like i-Jupiter, it's the largest planet in the solar system. So nje lawa ayabonakala njengamanje, nakusasa if awabonanga namhlanje nakusasa azobe visible, I think for the whole week azobe visible. Ubuke ngala kuphuma ngakhona ilanga from 7 kanje, then uzowabona lama planets amabili. Alright-ke ngiyabonga-ke, lokho bengithanda ukuthi ngikushare namhlanje. Okunye sengiyokushare ngelinye ilanga just because of isikhathi, angifuni le VN zibe yinde kakhulu. Thank you.